How to turn off blue tick marks on WhatsApp, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. If you want to disable the two blue tick marks which appear to the other user once you have read his or her message, if you do not want them to know, then you need to make certain changes in your privacy setting. For that you need to access your WhatsApp account, and then you need to click these three vertical dots, and then you need to click settings. In the settings you have to select the first option, account, and in the account you need to again select the first option, that is privacy. And in that you would see that there is an option of last seen. This will indicate that when was the last time you opened your WhatsApp. My suggestion would be that if you want to hide your activity, you can just click nobody, and similarly the read receipts you can just switch it off. So once you've done that, nobody would be able to find out whether you have seen their message or not. So this is the easiest way to turn off the blue tick marks on the WhatsApp. For the other users in this channel, we are trying to demystify the complexities of digital world by making the simple tech tutorials like this one. So if you're interested, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to like and share this video.